Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So you guys don't know how to draw anime faces. If you draw them, it looks like they're in the final stage of cancer. Do not worry when I'm here. So in this video, I'll be sharing all the secrets to draw anime face and I'll tell you how I improved my art from this to this in just a year. So without any further chit chat, let's get into the video. In today's video, I'll draw Tanjiro Kamado. So first let's see how many methods are there to draw anime. Number 1, freehand method. Number 2, guidelines method. Number 3, grid method. But for today's video, we'll focus on guidelines method. So in my opinion, guideline method is the best for beginners. So the first step is understanding the guideline method. The guideline method for drawing involves sketching basic lines or shapes to establish the proportions, perspective and placements of elements in a drawing before adding the details. Could not understand? No issue. Let's start the drawing and understand it in the process. First, start with the circle. It doesn't have to be a perfect one. It should just look like a circle. Then draw a straight line vertically in the middle of the circle and another straight line horizontally. The vertical line represents the nose and the horizontal line represents the eyes. Then draw another line below the horizontal line and it represents the size of the eye. To draw the eyes, you have to draw 3 circles and the 3 circles should be equal in size. Then in the middle of the eye line and in the end of the circle comes our nose. This can vary for different characters. In the end of the circle comes the jawline and the mouth. As usual, this can also vary for different characters. Little above the eye line comes the hairline. And from the eye line to the nose line comes your eyes. And for the hair, just draw a semicircle from one side to another side of the ear. Inside this comes your mouth. This may vary for other type of expressions. Now the basic structure is ready. Let's start with the jawline. Now let's draw the eyes. Try to keep the eyes in the same size as possible. As for the mouth, just draw them inside the guidelines. Now roughly draw the hair and the other parts. Now let's get into the next step, that is his body. First draw a straight line from the jaw. Then draw his shoulders line. Then draw a triangle for his straps. Now for the shoulder, draw 2 circles. Then I used basic and simple steps to draw a very rough sketch. Then start drawing his clothes. After completing a very rough sketch, if you don't feel anything is right, make changes as per your requirement. Now after everything is complete, erase the rough sketch slightly, then start drawing the proper sketch.
One eternity later.
I have completed the proper sketch now, and I thought, why not color it?
A few moments later.
And after coloring, this is the final result. I think it's not too bad, and comment what you guys think. And that's it for today's video. If you guys want to see more anime tutorials of this type, just comment yes in the comments. If you guys think this video was helpful or you learned a new thing, just give a like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. And until then, peace out.